Very good morning, all. Today we are going to see a simple circuit on RL series circuit. Take down this problem. A series 20 ohm resistance and 50 millihenry inductance is connected across 220 volts 50 hertz AC. Calculate current, real power, and reactive power. As I said before, first by seeing the problem, first we need to formulate the circuit. So here resistance and inductance are connected in series. So that's why series R and L. So R and L you need to draw 20 ohms and 50 ohms connected to 220 volts AC supply. After that, first we need to find out the current. Current I is equal to V by Z magnitude. So we need to find out the Z magnitude. Z magnitude is equal to root of R square plus XL square. So XL is 2 pi F into L or omega L. So 2 into 3.14 into 50 into L is 50 millihenry. So 50 into 10 to the power minus 3. So if you calculate, we get the answer as 15.7. Now we need to substitute R over here. R is 20 ohms. So 20 square plus 15.7, the whole square. So if you simplify, we'll get the answer as 25.42. So after finding out Z magnitude, we need to find out the current. Current is equal to V divided by Z magnitude. V is 220 volts given in the problem. So 220 divided by 25.42, that is 8.65 amperes. That is the current. Now it is a real power. Real power is equal to VA cos phi. So VL cos phi. So cos phi is not given in the problem. So we need to find out what is the cos phi. Cos phi is equal to ratio of the resistance to the impedance. That means R by Z. R is given in the problem as 20 ohms and Z is Z magnitude what we calculate as 25.4. So if you substitute here and calculate, cos phi is coming as 0.786. Okay, 0.786 lagging. Why? Because it is a RL load, no? So it is always a lagging factor. Now we need to find out P. So P is equal to VA cos phi. So V is 220 into I is we calculated 8.65 into cos phi is 0.786. So if you further simplify this, we'll get the real power value as 1495.75 watts. Okay, that is the real power. Now we need to find out the reactive power also. Reactive power is equal to VA sin pi. Q is equal to VA sin pi. So from cos phi we can easily find out phi. So cos inverse of 0.786. So we can easily find out phi as 38.18. So VI into sin into pi. So V is 220, I is 8.65 amperes. Next is sin 38.1. So because here phi is 38.18, no? So if you further calculate it, this reactive power will get it as will got it as 1176.30 VAR. Reactive power unit of reactive voltage ampere reactive. So VAR. So that is the unit for reactive power. So very simple problem, easily you can solve. But the thing is that here you need to remember the formula. So here inductance came, so it is XL. If the capacitance came, it is XC. That's all difference. Rest are all same. Inductance and reactance for RC and RL circuit. Okay, next RLC is as XL minus XC the whole square. That's all. Z equal to root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. So rest are all the same. This is the answer for this real power, reactive power, current. This is the answer for this particular